Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe that my daughter brought to me, was wanting to try, so I'm crossing my fingers that this recipe works well. But it's cloud bread. I've got all of my ingredients set out here and pre-measured out, so we're ready to go. I'm just going to run over them real quickly and then we'll get started. Alright guys, I've got my ingredients here. I've got 4 egg whites that I've already measured out and just scooped out the egg yolks and just put them in this bowl. I've got vanilla. I'm just going to use about a half a teaspoon. I've got 20 grams of cornstarch, 30 grams of sugar, and I've just got some red food coloring. My daughter thought it would be pretty to make red, so we're going to do that. And now that we've covered all of the ingredients, let's get started. Okay guys, first things first, we're going to beat our egg whites until they get frothy. And then we're just going to start gradually adding in our sugar. So let's get this going. I've got kind of a soft peak here. We're just going to go ahead and add in our cornstarch and vanilla and our food coloring, and then just beat it till it gets stiff peaks. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. This will just help with the eggy flavor of the bread. And we're going to do about 4 drops of red food coloring. That is what you are looking for. Okay guys, now I just have a tray and we're just going to place this in the tray and shape it into a mound type shape. So let's get that going. Alright, I've got it on here now, and I'm just going to lightly press this into a mound shape as best as I can. You don't want to press too hard because this is egg whites and you will deflate them. Alright guys, that looks pretty good. I'm just going to clean up a little bit of this that I got on the pan. And now we're just going to put this in a 300-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Alright guys, it is done. And it turned out gorgeous. It's got a really light crust. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove it from this pan. Just lift that out and get this out of the way. Alright guys, it's not really hot, but it's still nice and warm. Just carefully remove the wax paper. We'll set that aside. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay you guys, I've got this cute bread. It is such a beautiful pink color. My daughter is going to love this. And it's like slightly sticky on the outside, but it's very soft and pillowy, kind of like marshmallow texture. Can definitely taste the eggy part to it, but it's not that bad since we added in a little bit more sugar and the vanilla kind of kicks it down a little bit. but it's absolutely amazing. My daughter's gonna love that. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am so thrilled that it turned out. I had my fingers crossed there for a while, but it turned out very, very well. So I'm gonna take this to my daughter and let her try that. And if you liked it, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.